Hi everyone. Okay, I'm going to go through the process of solving this exponential equation. But please bear in mind that you could do this on the calculator graphically. You could also use the solve feature. But I just want to go through and step you through the arithmetic or the algebra here. Just because there's one little issue that gets frequently messed up with this particular problem here. We can see right now this is an exponential problem with two different bases. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I am going to take the logarithm of both sides. Okay, and I think that makes sense as our first move here. Now, typically the reason I take the logarithm is so that I can bring the exponent down. But the key point here is that that exponent there, that x minus 2, is not an exponent on the 2. So what I got to do here first, and this is what makes this question a little bit more difficult, is I actually have to take that multiplication and convert it into addition first. Okay? So that's the big step that you need to pay attention to. Now, from this point on, I think it's relatively straightforward. We're going to bring down the exponent. Okay? Remembering, of course, that you really should be putting this in brackets, okay, because I need to distribute the log 3 to both of those terms, and this is x log 7, and now I'm going to distribute the log 3. Remember, when you're solving exponential functions, the number of logarithms in the equation can get larger. Okay, so now I've gone from no logarithms to 4 logarithms in this expression. That's okay, because this was an exponential equation to start with. I'm going to bring the x log 7 over to this side. Actually, you know what? I take that back. I'm going to move the x log 3 over to the other side here because that's just a little bit less motion here. So it'll be x log 7 minus x log 3. So the whole goal here is to bring down the exponents, expand everything out as much as possible, and then get the terms with the variable in it to one side. And then what we do is we factor out the x. Okay, now at this point here, it's just a matter of dividing both sides by log 7 minus log 3. However, this is not a bad opportunity to talk about simplifying. For example, I can bring the 2 up to the exponent of the 3, which would make that 9, and then subtraction becomes division. So this would become the log of 2 over 9. Over here, once again, subtraction becomes division. So this is x times the log of 7 over 3. And then maybe I would just divide those out. And there we go. So x is equal to the log of 2 over 9 divided by the log of 7 over 3. And you can plug that into your calculator and get this to whatever decimal place the question asks for.